Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussion is group theory, which is this problem is coming CSIR NET 2023 December. Okay, so the number of solution of the equation, okay, of the equation x squared equals to 1 in the ring z divided by 105 z is, so option is in here is given 1 0, number 2 option is 2, and number 3 option is 4, and number 4 this option is 8. Okay, so total, this is the total option. Now we know that z divided by 105 z, okay, that is isomorphic to u3 u cross u5 cross u7, because 105 can be written as 3. Okay, okay, so this way 3 into 5 into 7, so this way now it is isomorphic to z2 cross z4 cross z6. Okay, note, this is the note that we remember u3 is isomorphic to z2, means un is isomorphic to z n minus 1. This is the property. Okay, un means the group of under the multiplication, and zn is under the addition. Okay, group under the addition, integer group under the addition. So friends, we can write this way. Now this is the z 105. Okay, z 105 z can be written this way. And now we know that if x to the power n equals to 1, then order of x is divisible by order of divisible by x. Okay, in here order of x is equal to 1, and so 1 is divided 2. Now the total possibility is z2 cross z4 cross z6. By the group theory wise, you get total 2 element from 2. You get 1 0 and 1. 0 square is equal to, okay, sorry, in here you get 2 element z2, and in here you get 2, it is 2. Okay, how? Because z2 is 0 and 1, and z4 is equal to 0 1 2 3. So this identity element exists. X to the power n means x square is equal to 1. So we can get the total possible way, total possible way 2 cross 2 cross 2 equals to 8. So friends, thanks for watching. I hope I can clear this concept, and please view my total work. Thank you.